So once again, good morning. So I just tell you what the fixed or working capital is. You have problem in this. So capital is of two type. One is fixed capital, another is working capital. Fixed capital वो capital होती है जो हम लोग एक बार invest करते हैं, which remain with us for number of years. Like in the factory, a machine, a machinery. ठीक है, which remain with us for making number of things. Suppose I have a factory of manufacturing the scale, so that machine will not come again and again to produce this scale. That same machine will be going to produce thousands or even lakhs of these scales at with the passage of time in a number of years, maybe 5 years, 7 years or 10 years, according to the usability of this machine. So machine means fixed capital कौन सी होती है, like tools
और कुछ तो नहीं चल रहा.
machines. Please mute yourself. Machines, tools, and you can say tractors in the agriculture sector. Once the farmer purchase that tractor of 5 to 10 lakh rupees or 15 lakh rupee, that remain with the farmer for number of year to yield the crop, isn't it? Combiner, आजकल हम roads पे बहुत combiners देख रहे हैं because harvesting of wheat is going on. तो हमें दिख रहे हैं that combiners are being purchased by the farmer once, but they remain with them for number of years. So that is called fixed capital. So fixed capitals are tools, machines, ठीक है, tractors, harvesters, combiners, etc. That a capital which is being purchased by the entrepreneur or the farmer remain with them for number of years. Fine. So working capital. Working capital is a type of capital which can be increased and decreased as per the requirement, as per the demand. Point is clear? Working capital, a type of capital which can be increased and decreased as per the demand. Fine. So they are of two type. Working capital is of two type. कौन सी है? That is, you can say human labor. Human labor, and second is raw material. Raw material or money in hand. Is it okay to everyone? So raw material or money in hand, we can say it, they are the two different types of working capital. Paneet, is it clear to you, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So working capital में जो human labor है, human labor जो है वो यहाँ से भी हो सकती है, ये वाली human labor यहाँ पर है. ठीक है? As per the requirement, if we want to increase, like I had given you example of Christmas season. During the Christmas season, there is much more demand of bakery products in the market, and during the Deepavali season, there is a much more demand of sweets in the market. So all the sweet shops owner, they want to get more labor to produce the sweets, and in the bakery shops during the Christmas season, all the bakers require more labors to produce the cakes. Same in the case, we can say during the harvesting season and sowing season in the agricultural farm area, due to crop transplantation. Crop transplantation होती है खरीफ crop में. Kharif crop is a transplantation crop which require high labors. to transplant the product crop from one area to another area. So at that time the labor are being required. So यहाँ पर हमारा next concept भी साथ ही साथ clear होता है. The person who are being employed for 5 to 6 months in a year and remaining the period if they don't have job or they don't have work, that type of unemployment is known as seasonal unemployment. Is the point is clear? यहाँ पर point clear है? एक यहाँ पर
Yes, ma'am.
unemployment करवा दूं, यहीं पर ही करवा दूं कि आगे जाके further करवाऊं? Please tell me. अगर आप चाहते हो तो मैं यहीं पर ही type of unemployment करवा देती हूँ. करवा दूं यहीं पर ही?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen. One type of unemployment is a seasonal type of unemployment in which a person is being employed for 5 to 6 months in a year and remaining the period of time they don't have anything to do. So that type of unemployment is known as a seasonal unemployment. Second type of unemployment I am going to write over here, that is called disguised unemployment. Is it visible? Disguised unemployment. This type of unemployment is a type of unemployment which is found in agriculture area. Now I am going to write about everything for this. Disguised unemployment. It is a type of unemployment which is found in agriculture area. Fine. अब देखिए कंसेप्ट समझिए, ये एक टाइप ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ कहां पाई जाती है? एग्रीकल्चर एरिया. मतलब प्राइमरी सेक्टर मींस रूरल सेक्टर. ठीक है, तीनों पॉइंट क्लियर है? Means primary sector means getting extraction of the product by exploiting the natural resources like land, mining, forest. So primary activities are the activities which are being produced by extracting or exploiting the natural resources. So this type of unemployment is found in the primary sector, in agriculture sector. Fine, where the production process is being done by exploiting the natural resources. Is it okay? Now second thing is, suppose अब मैं आपको ये इसको example देके समझाऊंगी because otherwise you will not be able to understand. Suppose चाहत, you and me, हम दोनों अपने आप को एक example की form में ले रहे हैं. ठीक है, आप और मैं जो है दोनों brothers हैं. Fine चाहत, हम लोग एक पेरेंट के दोनों ब्रदर्स हैं. हम दोनों ने अपने 10th के एग्जाम दे दिए हैं एंड आफ्टर 10th एग्जाम वी बोथ आर फ्री. गॉट इट चाहत? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? एंड एवरीवन इज गेटिंग अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल यू. लाइक आवर फैमिली, अ मेंबर ऑफ 6 मेंबर्स. हमारे फैमिली में 6 मेंबर्स हैं. हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं और हम दोनों ब्रदर्स हैं. चाहत, यू एंड मी बोथ आर ब्रदर्स. फाइन, हम दोनों ने अपने 10th के एग्जाम दे दिए हैं. आवर लैंड इज ऑफ 1 हेक्टेयर. हमारी लैंड कितनी है? 1 हेक्टेयर है. और आवर फादर यूज्ड टू वर्क ओवर इट अलोन. हमारे फादर जो है उसके ऊपर पूरा इंडिविजुअल काम करते हैं. फाइन. So when one person was working, one person, और suppose मैं अपने चाचू भी ले लेते हैं हम लोग, तो 2 persons are working. हमारे जो मतलब paternal uncle हैं, he is also working. So वो भी साथ में पापा के काम कर रहे हैं. तो 2 persons are working. और मैंने तुम्हें एग्जांपल दी थी 1970 की बात ले लेते हैं हम. ठीक है, पूरे एविडेंस के साथ लेते हैं. मैंने कहा था पालमपुर में 1970 के अंदर पर हेक्टेयर प्रोडक्शन कितनी थी वीट की? दैट वाज 1300 kg. इतनी थी. तो हम लोग 1970 की बात ले रहे हैं. हम दोनों उस टाइम 10th में पढ़ते थे हम दोनों, और हमारे 10th के एग्जाम्स खत्म हुए. हमारे चाचू और फादर जो है दोनों काम करते थे खेत में और 1300 किलो कनक की पैदावार होती थी। बट जब हम दोनों घर पे फ्री हैं तो हमारी मम्मी और दादी ने कहा हम दोनों को कि हम लोगों को भी वहां पर जाकर खेतों में पापा के साथ और चाचू के साथ हेल्प करवानी चाहिए, isn't it? ठीक है, तो हमने जाकर वहां पर वर्क करना शुरू कर दिया। तो टोटल पर्सन कितने हो गए वर्क के? 4 हो गए, ठीक है। मी एंड चाहत बोथ वर वर्किंग देयर, हम लोग वीडिंग भी करते थे वहां पर प्रॉपर जो अपना सिक्कल के साथ एक्स्ट्रा मटेरियल जो है उनको निकालते थे और हमने उस पे पानी भी लगाया, उसमें हम लोगों ने जो खाद है वो भी डाली, पेस्टिसाइड्स है वो भी डाले, पूरी मेहनत करते थे। सुबह 9 बजे जाते थे, शाम को 5 बजे आते थे, ठीक है। पूरा साल मैंने और चाहत ने काम किया। बट next year when the production came, that was again remain 30-100 kg. बट हम तो सारा साल जाते रहे, हम तो सारा साल जाते रहे, क्या हमारे जाने से प्रोडक्शन में कोई भी इंक्रीज हुआ? Is there is any increase in the production? No.
No.
So
No.
when the person is working but the production remains same and the productivity of that person doesn't produce anything, the effort which is being made by 2 persons are not doing anything, so that persons are employed, physically they are employed, but productivity whether they are doing something, production जो है उनकी क्या रही? Production of these 2 persons remain 0, ये 0 रही। So when the production of the 2 people, those who were 2 people were managing already and producing 1300 kg, 2 more employed in that, work over there, hard work किया, सब कुछ किया, but the production again remains same, that type of appeared to be working but the production remains same, a person is appeared to be working, seems to be working, but the production remains 0, that type of unemployment is known as disguised unemployment. Is the point is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Thank you, Chahat, for your cooperation. So disguised unemployment is a type of unemployment which is found only in agriculture area, in which a person's required persons are less but working are more, so the production remains same. Required persons are less but working are more and production remains same, so the extra persons, if we will remove them, but still the production remains same, that type of physical appearance of working capital is known as disguised unemployment. मैंने अभी यहां पर वर्ड यूज किया वर्किंग कैपिटल. So we as a human being are the part of a working capital. कोई डाउट? यहां तक सबको क्लियर है? क्लियर है बच्चे? Any doubt to anyone? Please ask. So 2 type of unemployment we had done today. One is number 1, seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment is a type of unemployment in which a person is working for 5 to 6 months or 7 months and rest of the period they remain jobless and they were not having any kind of work. It can be found in agriculture or area or in urban area. Seasonal type of unemployment is a type of unemployment which can be found in agriculture or in industrial area or in urban area, but disguised unemployment is a type of unemployment which is only found in agriculture area. Is the point is clear? If anyone having any doubt, please ask. So next concept, as I had explained you, modern farming method and multiple cropping method. Is any doubt in that? Modern farming method and multiple cropping में कोई doubt है बच्चे किसी को भी? Doubt है बेटा? If any doubt to anyone, please, I will be help you out by explaining it again. Second concept जो हम लोग करने लगे हैं, that is green revolution. Now, why I am telling you modern farming method? Because green revolution is being received by our country because of this factor, modern farming method. Green revolution is being achieved in India in 1966 because of modern farming method. So if you know about modern farming method, then I will be able to help you to explain and to get the clarification of green revolution. So first of all, green revolution. It was being achieved in India in 1966. कौन से ईयर में अचीव हुआ था? In 1966. Basically in 3 states. One is Punjab, then is Haryana, and then is Western Uttar Pradesh. It is being achieved in basically these 3 states by using modern farming method. Modern farming method means using number 1, high yield variety of seeds. Number 2, proper irrigation. Irrigation, both canals and wells, both canals and wells we can say submersible or we can say groundwater. Fine. Number 3 is proper fertilizers. Then by using pesticides with modern tools and technology. Tools and technology. Is it okay? Is the point is clear?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually my marker is getting lightning. बस मैं उसको थोड़ा सा ink कर लूँ साथ साथ. Listen, green revolution was being achieved in India in 1966, basically in these 3 states. One is Punjab, second is Haryana, and third is Western UP. It was being achieved because of the making sufficiency of all the concerned things, that is high yield variety of seeds, means the seeds which are being produced or get ready by processing with the machines. ठीक है, high yield variety of seeds. Then is proper irrigation. Irrigation is being done both by canals or by underground water, like you can say submersibles are being used properly. Then next concept जो आता है, that is you can say fertilizers and pesticides. All the things are being used properly to make the production process in a tremendous growth. I'll let you know how the tremendous growth was being achieved by green revolution. I'll tell you how. Like I had given you example already that in 1970 पालनपुर में 1 हेक्टेयर में कितने प्रोडक्शन होती थी? कितनी प्रोडक्शन होती थी वीट की? 1300 kg. कितनी होती थी? 1300 kg. This is a year after this. But at that time, that town was very backward. That village was very backward. But with the growth of green revolution, Palanpur has also introduced. Palanpur maybe they introduced modern farming method then the production was being increased in 1 hectare area was to 3200 kg per hectare. Isn't it double or more than double? Isn't it double or more than double? Please reply.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
More
with
than
the
double.
use
Yes,
of
ma'am.
this, with the use of this, Palampur has also achieved. Now the excess amount of production, can they use it for the further sale? अगर
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
farm area में अगर production 1300 kg हो रही है, in 1970 they can use it for self consumption. ठीक है? They can use it for self consumption. But if the production is going to be doubled, can it be used for we can say sale in the market and earn the profits?
Yes, ma'am.
So definitely
Yes, ma'am.
with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
modern farming method, India has also attained food sufficiency. अगर मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल बताऊं तो चाइना में 1958 से 1961 तक वहां पर फूड शॉर्टेज इतनी ज्यादा हो गई थी, फेमाइन इतने ज्यादा आ गए थे कि वहां पर जो है 3 लाख पीपल जो थे they were died due to famine. But that kind of incident was not being done here in India. हमने डेमोक्रेसी, व्हाट इज डेमोक्रेसी एंड व्हाई डेमोक्रेसी में ये कंसेप्ट किया था हमने, अगर याद हो तो ये हमने पॉइंट किया था व्हाट इज डेमोक्रेसी व्हाई डेमोक्रेसी के कंसेप्ट में. एट दैट टाइम in China people were being died because वहां पर डिक्टेटरशिप भी थी, वहां पर सिंगल रूल था, और इंडिया के अंदर डेमोक्रेसी थी, है अभी भी है, और इंडिया ने अपने इंडिया के अंदर फूड एश्योरेंस जो है वो बेसिकली कंसेप्ट बनाया. और फूड एश्योरेंस के लिए व्हाट दे हैड डन, दे हैड गिवन विद द प्रोसेस ऑफ यूजिंग मॉडर्न farming method. So modern farming method helps to yield per hectare crop more than double. So we were not having this kind of situation at that time in India. So another benefit is we helped, this green revolution helps to ensure food security. I'll help you in chapter 4 for this thing, how food security is being ensured. So food security is being ensured by achieving green revolution and introducing modern farming method. Point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt to anyone? So if regularly on a same piece of land, the production will be going on with the multiple cropping method. Multiple cropping means growing more than 2 crops on a same piece of ground. So हमारा third concept है, will the land sustain? You just tell me, will the land sustain if the continuity of the production process will be there? Just tell me.
Ma'am, it will lose its fertility.
Yes, it will be going to lose its fertility. So land being a natural resource, page number 5 पर देखिए, this first line is being given as land being a natural resource, it is necessary to be very careful in its use. So scientific process, all these are the scientific process. इसके साथ मैंने एक क्वेश्चन और भी करवाना है. All these are the scientific process with the modern farming method have overused the natural resources like in land, so that has led, or even we had achieved the green revolution associated with the loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. Loss of fertility is also being done because of using these parameters in a frequent way. नेचुरल लैंड की फर्टिलिटी जो है, और अगर हम अभी भी देखें हमारे पंजाब का अंडरग्राउंड वाटर लेवल, जो आज से 40-50 साल पहले हमें अपने घर पे हैंडपंप्स जो है उनमें वाटर कितनी फीट गहराई पे मिल जाता था, 60 फीट गहराई पर हमें मिल जाता था, ठीक है, लेकिन आज कितनी फीट गहराई पर मिलता है, 240 फीट गहराई पर मिलता है. So the level of underground water level is going to reduce. If once it will be reduced, is it possible for us to retain it?
No,
Is it
ma'am.
possible for us to retain it?
No, ma'am. No,
It is
ma'am.
not possible for us to retain it. That is why overuse of natural resources will not be going to sustain the land for a long period of time. So we have to use it judiciously. हमें इसको judiciously करना चाहिए. So once again, I will be going to recapitulate the things which we have done today. One is working capital. Second is type of unemployment. One is seasonal unemployment, and second is disguised unemployment. And then we have done green revolution and modern farming method and effect of modern farming method on the land. Is it okay? अब अगला कंसेप्ट अगर मैं 2 मिनट में आपको करवाऊं, जस्ट लुक ऑन दीज पॉइंट्स. हाई यील्ड वैरायटी ऑफ सीड्स, प्रॉपर इरिगेशन थ्रू कैनल्स एंड वेल और अंडरग्राउंड सबमर्सिबल्स अगर बनाने हो, वेयर दे विल बी मेड. पेस्टिसाइड्स कहां बनते हैं? जस्ट टेल मी वन एग्जांपल.
Factories.
फैक्ट्री में बनते हैं. टूल्स, कंबाइनर, हार्वेस्टर, ट्रैक्टर्स, ये कहां बनते हैं?
Factories.
इंडस्ट्रीज
और
में.
industries.
पेस्टिसाइड्स भी इंडस्ट्रीज में. और अगर मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन बैक एक्सरसाइज का बताऊं आपको, ऑल द टूल्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजी व्हिच आर बीइंग यूज्ड इन द एग्रीकल्चर आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन इंडस्ट्रीज. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? All the tools and technology, all the equipments which are being used in the agriculture sector are produced in industry. Do you agree? Can you give example for the same? Yes,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can give. And we had achieved green revolution also with this process. अब कोई doubt किसी भी बच्चे को? Any doubt to
Ma'am, can you
anyone?
Ma'am, can you repeat the unemployment part?
There are two types of unemployment. One is seasonal unemployment, which can be found in urban as well as in rural area. Second is disguised unemployment, which is only found in the rural area or in the agriculture area or in the private sector, primary sector area, in which the production is being done by exploiting the natural resources. So seasonal unemployment is a type of unemployment in which a person is being employed in a year from 6 to 7 months or 5 to 6 months, and remaining period they are free. They are not having job. Disguised unemployment is a type of unemployment in which a person appears to be working, but the productivity of that person is zero. Is it okay, Ram?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, any doubt to anyone?